If you need to update your phone number on your Chase Bank account, follow these simple steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile settings, find the option for Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on this to access your current phone number details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the field for your phone number. Enter your new phone number, ensuring it is correct. Review the information before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check your account later to verify that the phone number has been updated successfully. Keeping your contact information current is essential for account security and communication.